Alright, I want to show you how to add distilled water to a lead acid battery. First thing you want to do is clean around here with a towel just to get all the dirt off, and take your air compressor, compressed air in a can, whatever you got, and shoot it in down through these cracks so that when you open these up you don't get dirt and whatever inside the cells, something you do not want. And as you can tell, on some batteries they're actually see-through, and this one, I mean, it's already full pretty much, but you want it a 1/4 inch above the plates where you want the water level at. So you get you a flathead screwdriver, and on most of them they have these little indentions here. You just pop them up, and you can go on the side here and kind of twist to get the other one off. And there you go. And see how much dirt's right there? What you want to do is just carefully take you a nice clean rag and just wipe stuff away from the holes. So you don't get none of that dirt in there when you go and fill it up. As you can see, it's already pretty much full. I'm just going to add a little bit though, just to top it off. So, and for the other one, same thing. And there we are. Now it's all nice and clean. Now you don't want to add them and fill them up to the very top. Just enough to top it off and cover the plates back up. And mine, it didn't take very much, so you don't have to go all out and just pour it all in there. And now it's up to here, which is good enough. Like I said, this was already topped off. And then what you want to do is you want to leave the caps off. And don't be doing no grinding, cutting boards up or anything while this stuff's off, so you don't get crap in it. I got my battery charger right here. This is a 10 amp. Now it's throwing about 7 amps into it for right now. As you can see, it's slowly going down. And the reason why you do this is so when you add fluid or distilled water, this will bubble and it'll overflow and just go all over the place. What you want to do is just let it kind of evaporate off a little bit. And I usually just leave my battery charger on for a couple hours or so, because that is a 10 amp. You're not supposed to leave them on all night, all day. And this battery was depleted to where it wouldn't even start the car. It was my buddy's. He didn't start his van up for like a couple months, and we jumped it one time, and then a couple days later it died again. This is only about 2-year-old battery too. So you never ever want to deplete a lead acid battery. Reason why is it'll sulfate up really bad, and it'll cause it not to hold a charge very good anymore, and the capacity will go down. So probably won't start bubbling yet until it gets a full charge. So that's how you add distilled water to a lead acid battery.